In today's video, we're going to go ahead and replace the ignition coil boot and seal on our ignition coil, located right on your engine. Once you have your hood open, we'll go ahead and take our flathead screwdriver. And on the front of our engine cover, there's two little lock buttons. We're going to turn these counterclockwise. Once that is done, you can go ahead and pull up on the front of the cover, pop off the back, and remove this. You want to go ahead and go to the ignition coil that you're going to be servicing. Disconnect the harness going to the coil. There's a push down tab on there. So you want to push and wiggle that off like so. Let's go ahead and remove the nut right here, securing the coil to the engine. Using our 10mm socket, let's go ahead and remove that nut. Go ahead and remove that nut and set it aside. I'm going to go ahead and grab that coil, and we're gently going to pull it out of the engine. Work it out like so. Once you have your ignition coil out, we're going to be replacing this lower boot and the seal on the top. I'm going to go ahead and use a small pick, and we're just going to get inside here and just pull that seal out and away. Gently work it around the perimeter like so. Slide that unit off, set that aside. I'm going to go ahead and remove this here. Gently going to pop our pick in here, and we're going to run it around. Then we can go ahead and twist this unit off. Might use some assistance of the pick here. Spray a little bit of spray lube on there. Try and get this boot to break free. We're using our little pocket screwdriver here to get down in there and work this off. Go ahead and pop that unit off. I want to go ahead and give your coil a good cleaning here. And take your boot, slide this up. I'm going to press this up into place. I'm going to make sure that that seal is right up against the base of the coil. I'm going to take your boot end here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to apply a thin coat of silicone paste here. I'm going to take the boot, slide this up. I'm going to pop that into place. And I'm going to put some of that silicone paste right around the base of that boot, almost creating a seal. Before installation, we are going to apply a thin coat of silicone paste on the outside of the coil as well, like so. A little bit on the boot. And let's go ahead and install our coil. Go ahead and lower your ignition coil down into place. Slide the coil over the stud. Install the nut here. Go ahead and tighten that down. Yeah, just want that to be snug. Go ahead and install the harness. The process is the same for the other 5 coils. Press that harness on until you hear it snap. Let's go ahead and install your engine cover. Go ahead and turn our lock tabs quarter turn. Go ahead and turn that one, and you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.